You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Yes, let's learn how to pronounce this Italian name, an Italian surname. It's going to surprise you. How do you pronounce this? Why is there two C's, CH? Italian pronunciation, Cucchi. So why is this? Well, C before a U is pronounced like a K, so that's Cu. Now, CH is pronounced K in Italian, okay? Now, double CH means you need to stress on that double CH, on that K sound. So you have to say Cucchi, Cucchi. That's the Italian pronunciation. So it's essentially like a cookie, if you wish. Yes, cookie. You can just say the English pronunciation, cookie. Italian pronunciation, cucchi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.